hypersensitivity. Our immune system consists of two types of immunity, cellular and humoral immunity. Cellular immunity consists of different types of cells, example macrophages, monocytes. Humoral immunity consists of antibody on the cell producing them. Whenever harmful organism enter human body, our immune system able to sense it and destroy it by different mechanism is known as sensitivity of our immune system. Our immune system sensitized non-harmful things also. Example, pollens, medicine, many food substances. This excessive activity of our immune system to seeming non-harmful antigen is known as hypersensitivity. It have four types: type 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we see about type 1 hypersensitivity. Allergies are classical example of type 1 hypersensitivity, like peanut, egg, fish, dust or pollen grains, animal fur are causing allergic reaction. Then bronchial asthma also type 1. Pathological mechanism, how person developed or dust or pollen allergy. Phase 1, sensitization. In this case, dust or pollen referred to as antigen. Dust or pollen enter to human body through two routes. First one is respiratory membrane of lungs, second one is skin. Both have special cell. That respiratory membrane having pulmonary antigen presenting cells, skin having Langerhans cells. Both cells captured minute antigen presented in dust or pollen, then take this antigen to T cell, exactly that naive T cell. Now this naive T cell exposure this antigen become mature, now known as mature T cell. It produces a lot of chemical. Mature T cell producing lot of chemical, interleukin 4, interleukin 5, interleukin 13 and many more. This interleukin 4 is very important cytokine in sensitization phase. It will produce the IgE antibodies. Why IgE is important? Because main type of antibody involving type 1 reaction. How? IgE antibody attached to mast cell. This one is phase 2 reaction. Mast cell containing nuclei. This one is nucleus, heparin, histamine, then leukotriene B4, C4, D4. They are all containing granules also. Mast cell play an important role in hypersensitivity. Whenever allergen enter to body, this allergen activated this mast cell. That time nucleus was, whenever the foreign particles entered to our body, this mast cell having nucleus, thus nucleus was in turn and activated and sent message to the vesicles. After that it was in turn and it was sent message to this vesicle. Then this vesicle was fused with membrane. Then released the component histamine, heparin, leukotriene B4, C4 and D4. First one is heparin. It acts as a anticoagulant. Second one is histamine. It have two functions. First one is released into blood fluid. It perform vasodilation. That means normal blood vessel like this. After vasodilation like this. It deliver of more inflammatory cells and chemical to the site of allergy. Then formation of swelling, also called edema. First process, formation of edema. Second one is smooth muscle contraction. Suppose that patient having asthma. That time this histamine was released too. So it will difficult to breathe. It will affect that bronchial part. So sometimes lead to death also. Then leukotriene B4, C4, D4, they act as a hemotactic agent. When mast cell activate, these chemical molecules released into the bloodstream, which attract remaining cells. Examples neutrophil, basophil and macrophages. Mast cell destroyed these cells also. So it will cause us autoimmune diseases or disorders. Questions: all allergen affected entire population. Only 80% free from allergen. Only 20% only affected that people. How? Because of genetic predisposition. We will take one cell having chromosome having DNA having protein molecules, that protein code for TH cell. In normal physiological condition, TH0 cell, action of leukotriene 4, it will converted into TH2 cell, T helper 2 cell. It will activate B cell, that means B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes is converted into plasma cell. Main function of plasma cell, production of antibody. This one is normal physiological condition. Suppose that patient having genetic predisposition, this point have some mutation, so abundant production of TH2 cell, not TH0 cell, TH2 cell. So this TH2 cell keep on firing to B cells, so it will produce more and more number of antibodies. Type 1 means IgE antibodies. So how you will attach to the receptor? Here it will produce more number of IgE antibodies. This one is our mast cell. Mast cell having this receptor. So here this IgE antibody, single antibody, IgE antibody not activated that mast cell. Two antibodies will activate that mast cell. How this antibody activated mast cell? This allergen, this one is allergen, enter to body. Okay, it form cross-link between two antibodies. This round shape, this allergen cross-link between two antibodies. This movement activate IgE antibody receptor. Then these receptors send some impulse. This inside some impulse, cyclic guanosine monophosphate. This inside impulses, in turn this one only activated that nucleus. After that, that nucleus sent impulses to the vesicles. These vesicles like this, it will fused with cell membrane, then released these granules. Then diseases: allergic asthma, conjunctivitis, anaphylaxis, angioedema and eosinophilia. These are the disease caused by type 1 hypersensitivity reaction.